Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to watch the 2023 French Open without a cable subscription, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you the best streaming options so you can catch all the action from Roland Garros. 1. Stream on Peacock TV US. Peacock TV is the official streaming partner for the French Open in the US. It offers full coverage of the tournament, including live matches, highlights, and exclusive content. How to watch. Subscribe to Peacock Premium, available with a free trial. Stream live matches on the Peacock app or website. 2. ESPN Plus US. ESPN Plus offers coverage of the French Open, including exclusive matches and highlights. How to watch. Sign up for an ESPN Plus subscription. Watch live matches and on-demand content on the ESPN app or website. 3. Tennis Channel US. The Tennis Channel provides live broadcasts of the French Open, including match highlights and analysis. How to watch. Subscribe to the Tennis Channel Plus streaming service. Watch on the Tennis Channel website or app. 4. Fubo TV US. Fubo TV offers a 7-day free trial and includes ESPN, Tennis Channel, and other sports networks that broadcast the French Open. How to watch. Sign up for Fubo TV's free trial. Stream live coverage on your preferred device using the Fubo TV app. 5. Eurosport, Europe and International. Eurosport provides extensive coverage of the French Open in Europe and other regions. How to watch. Subscribe to Eurosport Player for live streaming of every match. Stream on your computer, phone, tablet, or smart TV. 6. Sling TV US. Sling TV offers ESPN and Tennis Channel, which cover the French Open. How to watch. Subscribe to Sling TV's Orange Plan. Includes ESPN. Add the Sports Extra package for Tennis Channel. Watch live matches on your TV, phone, or tablet. 7. BBC iPlayer, UK. For viewers in the UK, BBC iPlayer offers free live coverage of the French Open, including both men's and women's matches. How to watch. Use your UK TV license to log into BBC iPlayer. Stream live matches and highlights on your device. Note, BBC iPlayer is geo-restricted outside the UK, so you'll need a UK IP address or a VPN to access it abroad. 8. Using a VPN for global access. If you're in a region where the French Open isn't available, use a VPN to access geo-restricted streaming services. How to watch. Use a VPN service, like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, to connect to a server in a country where the French Open is being broadcast, such as the US or UK. Access services like Peacock, Eurosport, or BBC iPlayer. By using these methods, you'll have multiple ways to stream the 2023 French Open without needing cable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on streaming sports online.